Hello, welcome back to Her Daily Wisdom Kitchen. My name is Rosie. Thank you so much for inviting us into your space. Today, we're baking eggplant. Join us and enjoy the journey. Thank you.
Just they feel myself, they get it waiting and they see myself. And sometimes I don't believe myself. I cannot come and go and kill myself. I know they hear what, but every minute I they fear God. Cause anybody when gonna come on God, you could collect. Because we come correct, we know they fear God.
Okay, so let's put all the ingredients together.
Me, I know they share my life. I stay king in all day. They call me the number one. They know they ready for me. They no one believe I go with God. It no be my fault. Introducing Mr. Wavy, wavy, wavy.
Cardamom. I'm just measuring everything with my eyes. So cook with your feel. This is really good for people who are low in iron because we have some cruciferous veggies in there. It's just loaded with iron. Again, if you have carrots, feel free to add that in there. Perfect. Maybe I should add a little bit of olive oil in it, just a little bit more. There's your beautiful mixture. Okay. So the next thing I do is I butter my baking sheet. Now you can use parchment paper if you prefer. For me, I just like to butter it, or if you have some spray, cooking spray, you could also use that. So if you notice, oxidation is already happening here, and that's why we're trying to work quickly. Okay.
She's the mother. That girl mother. She's the mother. That girl mother. Yeah. She always comes like a rainbow. With a beautiful like a rainbow. That girl mother. She's beautiful like nobody. The way she smiles gets me crazy.
Okay, so now we'll put it in the oven and have it bake, and then we'll show you the next step. So let's time it for 30 minutes. Ooh. Looking nice, looking nice, looking very nice. Next step, we're going to take cheddar cheese. Okay, let's spread it all over. Make sure it's covering everything. Heavy on the cheese. We love cheese. Sprinkle on the sides. All right. Okay, so now we put it back in the oven. And let's give it a good 20 minutes. We want the cheese to melt into the veggies.
Give me the green light, give me the go. Don't wanna slow down cause you're going too slow. When the money is up, your girl go low. Then pass it to bro, then pass it to bro.
I don't get tired even when ambitions retire. Feeling like my soul is on fire. Gotta up like
like a riot. We're getting lost, settle down.
That smells good. Delicious. Voila.
Give 'em shots, another round,
Now that is perfection. Beautiful.
The sky, I'd rather die fly. Where is my prize? No fear in my eyes. And I am the court, don't play on both sides. And I am the judge, I said to all right.
Down,
Okay,
Down.
my favorite part.
down, up,
Tasting.
down, elevator up, down, up, down,
Go.
down, up, down, elevator up, and down, up, and
You know, you could serve this with chicken wings or steak. You know, asparagus on the side. Here, our baked eggplant. Let's taste it.
Because you want it. Don't need permission because you already own it. Don't need to fake it because you want it. Don't need permission because you already own it. Own it. Bring me back, back.
Cheers.
Bring me back. Bring me back, back. Bring me back. Bring me back, back. Bring me back. Bring me back, back. Bring me back. Bring me back, 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 back.
That is so good. It is so good. I kid you not. Go out, buy an eggplant, try this recipe out. Thank me later. You're very welcome. Thank you so much for joining us and have a wonderful day. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Bye.